Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys again today with another awesome update video. We got a lot of updates to cover in this one, and before we get started, I hope you guys are having a great day. I'm really happy you guys took the time out to come watch one of my videos. So in this video, I'm going to share with you kind of some updates I'm going to do for my YouTube channel to help you guys get an awesome and much better viewing experience when you do watch my channel. So to start the day out, one of my videos I covered my camera, this one I'm filming on, actually kind of broke. So I went into the shop, got it kind of tuned up and fixed, but I splurged last night and dropped like a little over $1,000 on a Panasonic G85 camera. This thing is awesome for vlogging. It's smaller than a DSLR camera. It's mirrorless, and it's got so many great features about it that I'm probably going to do a video review about that on my channel for all you guys that are interested in starting your own YouTube channels and documenting your own journeys. As you know, that's kind of how I started. I took an Amazon seller course from Tanner J. Fox just last year. I started documenting how I've been doing in my journey, learned everything, and started sharing it with people, and soon people came to me asking questions and for help, and I just realized like this is a lot bigger than just growing an Amazon business. There's so much more I can reach out to and meet so many more people in the journey. So I had a couple of things I also wanted to share. My buddy Isaiah, he is taking my Amazon course, and he literally just sent me a text message. He said, "Man, I told my work to kiss my ass." Not literally, but my Amazon business is a little more important to me than the 9 to 5 I'm planning to quit in about a month. So instead, I'm not going in today, and I'm going to work on my listing and PPC with my mentor, Luke. Would you be able to hit up a video call in about an hour and a half? What time is it now for you? So this guy's literally following kind of my footsteps and realizing that once you start producing your own business and start working for yourself, your work is so much more fulfilling. You're working for yourself. You can manage your progress and see the results and know when you're moving forward. So that's super inspiring to see one of my buddies doing this. So that's absolutely insane. Isaiah is one of my good buddies. He's from Atlanta, Georgia. He just started his YouTube channel himself, and he just actually got my Amazon course, and he's planning to kind of just learn along in my course and promote it at the same time. So you do get an affiliate link when you get my Amazon course, and if you make a YouTube channel and say, "Hey, this is what I'm doing. If you want to learn more, you can check out the link below." And if people buy my course through your link, it's going to help you get like $80 every time you make a sale of that. So that's how I started my YouTube channel, and I think it's a really great way to get yourself in an awesome mindset with all this. The next huge update I wanted to share with you guys is about my YouTube channel as well. I don't even know how this became bestowed upon me, but one of my subscribers and students that's actually in my course as well, he's a really, really awesome guy, and I don't even know how this happened, but he wanted to sponsor me basically a drone for my YouTube channel so I can get awesome shots flying around, cruising around beaches, using it at the skate park, and just filming myself skating so I can add some awesome more clips for you guys. And he basically sponsored me this drone. He knew my camera was breaking, and he's like, "Damn, Luke, you've literally made 190 videos since last year in May 21st, so almost an average of a video every 2 days. I mean, it's pretty insane. A lot of people maybe won't be going that hardcore with this, but I straight up love it, and being able to reach out to you guys and just connect with you in the comment section and on Facebook and all these other places is just like it's the best feeling I can ever ask for. So, and that's why I also want to share with you guys, if you look in the description box below, I have the Facebook group for everyone looking to start selling on Amazon. You can drop a bunch of questions in there. It's a free group to join, and it's basically awesome. I'll be able to help you guys out just one-on-one right there, and that's really what I'm looking to do, guys. Just get in touch with you guys, build a great relationship. Like the guy who sponsored me this drone, I'm getting the Mavic Air drone, so it's freaking a sweet drone. I'm so stoked to be flying it around and using it with you guys. But the guy who sent me that literally was sending me messages like, I've been talking to him on, and just he's telling me how I'm one of his like really great, almost one of his best friends, and it's that kind of relationship that I really do want to build with you guys. Like there's been times when people just drop a comment and say, "Hey, I heard you do consultations, Luke, can I reach out to you?" And I just see that message immediately, get back to them, give them my phone number, hop on a quick phone call, and then I'm like, "Yeah, so if you want to set up a Skype call, we can do that. I'll run through your PPC, your listing, anything you want to optimize, and I'll be there for you guys." Even if people are looking to get into YouTube, I'm super stoked to help you guys with that. And that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys, other than the fact that next week there's this girl named Katie Melissa, and she's a 6-figure-a-month Amazon seller, and I'm going to be welcoming her onto my channel so we can do a live stream interview for you guys. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so that you can go ahead and watch us and ask all your questions to her during the live stream. And I'm just stoked, guys. I got my camera back working, my Canon 70D. This is an awesome workhorse, but it's a little bit big. So when I get the Panasonic G85, I can do more selfie action. I was comparing it with my other Sony a6300. That was my other decision. It's a much smaller camera, but it doesn't have the flip out screen like this one does, and my G85 is gonna have the flip out screen. So I'm just super stoked, guys, getting all these awesome gadgets and technical stuff. I was studying my face off watching all these other YouTubers who are just straight professionals at what they do in photography, and learning from them videography and how to set up lighting and all these other things. It's like I was getting a whole crash course of college, like all condensed into 3 days when I just binge watched and studied. You can literally take college courses on YouTube and learn faster than you could ever hope to in a real college setting. So that's why YouTube is so important and valuable. And when you guys watch these videos instead of what's just on TV and just wasting time and that kind of stuff, you guys are going to learn so much more. And you can actually connect with the mentors like me that are out there for you guys, looking to really help you guys get started with anything from like an Amazon business to just anything else in general. If you guys want to learn how to skateboard, man, I got you guys. We got boards galore on the wall. This is how we do it out here. So last but not least, guys, if you are serious about starting an Amazon business, I really would like to help you guys. And there is a link below to my Amazon Seller Pro course. And if you guys get that, I'll be right there with you guys, walking you through every step of the whole process. And I'm really going to get in touch with you guys, maybe more so than other people offering these Amazon courses who are not really able to help that many people because maybe they have too big of a channel, or they're just getting overwhelmed with comments and all these different things going on in their lives. So I'm here for you guys. I'm still living at home. Take advantage of people like me when you can, while you can, because, you know, if I end up having 100,000 subscribers, it's going to be harder to reach out to each one of you guys like I really want to right now. So I want to bring this quick update, guys. So recapping, we got a new drone for footage. We got a new camera for footage. I'll have this camera. We're doing the live stream interview with Katie Melissa. We have links down below to the Amazon group that you can come ask your questions in there. We got the course down below. So everything's just pretty much going great, guys. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, and if you do have any comments or questions, drop them down below. I got another video idea that just came to me, and I want to help you guys out with it. It's going to be kind of dealing with negative feedback, so I might conclude this one and go film another one right now. So be sure to like this one, and it helps YouTube kind of rank my videos up when you like it, and definitely subscribe because I do love producing content for you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.